Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Cpanel with your hosting username and password. This gives you control. Once logged in, scan the dashboard for Softaculous Apps Installer or Wordpress Manager, because these tools list installed sites. Make sure your domain is in the account and the WordPress files sit in public HTML or a subfolder. If you see multiple domains, note the document root. This first step locates the installation, so you can open the WordPress dashboard next. Now you locate the exact installation. Open File Manager and navigate to public HTML or the add-on domain folder to confirm wp-config. PHP and wp-admin exist. That proves WordPress is installed. Alternatively, open Softaculous All Installations and click the admin link. This takes you straight to /wp-admin. Once done, copy the admin URL. Make sure to use HTTPS if SSL is enabled. If the site uses a subfolder, include it in the path, because otherwise you'll land on the wrong site. Finally, open the admin URL you found, typically https://yourdomain.com/wp-admin, then enter your WordPress username and password to reach the dashboard. If you can't log in, use Cpanel php-my-admin to reset the user pass in the WP users table. Choose MD5 for the value field, then log in and update your password in settings. If you see redirects or a 500 error, disable plugins by renaming the plugins folder in File Manager. That isolates conflicts and restores access quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.